Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. This is a really cool video. I'm going to do a Shopify plus Doba dropshipping speed run. I'm literally going to build an entire dropshipping store in just a few minutes, start to finish, no code required, super easy and powerful when you use Doba Dropshipping as your dropshipping partner, app that integrates directly into Shopify. Lots and lots of amazing products, high ticket products, tons of products that are viral on TikTok Shop, tons and tons of products that ship directly from the USA for fast processing and shipping times. A lot of high ticket products too you could sell and make some great profit margins. And I'm going to show you the entire process. Literally just going to take a couple minutes, start to finish. We'll customize the Shopify store and we'll go right into Doba and add in an entire catalog full of products that will be fully automated and fully drop shipped without us lifting a finger. You see the link directly below this video to sign up for Doba Dropshipping. Totally free to sign up, and you could follow along step by step as we go over the shoulder right now. So I've got a brand new Shopify store, literally just signed up for it right now. We could take a little preview over here. You know, nothing is going on here. It's just all the sample content. If we go over here into products, obviously we don't have any products right now. So we can go into online store and we can customize our theme over here, and this is how you kind of set everything up. And you know, we're going to build a cat related store, so I'm going to go ahead and get some nice banner imagery with cats in it, and I'll go ahead and select that. And it's as easy as just kind of going through your different sections and selecting the different areas over here. We could add our logo over here. We could have an announcement bar over here where we could literally have different text. We could say something like free shipping over $100. And we could add that in there. We can continue down over here and literally customize all our sections. We could have featured products over here. Let's have another section. How about an image with text section? So we can come over here and let's go ahead and add another cat related image. And we could put products for cat lovers. Okay, we've got that set up over here. I'm just going to go and save this. So we have our image. We could have our button label. We'll put shop now, and we can go to our all collection and save that. We've already got an email newsletter button down there. Next, under logo, I'm going to go ahead and add in my logo up here. So it's going to put it up on the top. In our navigation, we could change the size if we want to make it a little bit bigger. Full control over that, and we will save. So we have the basis of a site here. Of course, we don't have any products, but we have a little bit of branding that we've set up to let people know that this store is for cat lovers. For cat lovers, by cat lovers. Just adding some more branding over here. We have our shop all button, so that looks good. I'm going to exit out of here now. I'm going to show you a little preview. The store is only a couple minutes old. You know, this is what it used to look like when we first set it up. And now, again, we have a little bit of branding over here. No products yet because we're going to go into Doba and do all that. So we have that now. And again, you have the link below this video to sign up for Doba. If you've already signed up, you'll be able to link your store inside of there. But I'm going to just go right directly into the App Store. Come over here into apps. We'll go to the app channel. And you could either use the link below this video or you could just type in Doba directly inside here. And we can click install. This is going to install the official Doba Dropshipping app. Totally free to install here and connect our store. Makes it super easy to then have an account with Doba and have your store connected. And by the way, you might have multiple stores. You could connect multiple stores into your Doba account. So that's it. We have the app connected. You could kind of update your settings if you want to. But really the easy thing is to now add product. Right? We've already connected the app. And if we come back over here, we have our Doba Dropshipping app ready to go. This is how you get back to it and open it in the future. But since we're here, we go into My Doba and we will look for product. And that's the best and kind of the most fun part about Doba, to go through the Doba catalog and really be able to search for all of these different products and simply just add them very easily. So since we're doing cats, I'm going to go into the cat category here. We've linked our store with the app, right? Now it's time to just simply add product. And this is the super fun part. Go through here and we start finding products that we think are cool. Say, okay, I want to add this laser pointer. And you click it over here into there. And you could categorize it if you want. I'm going to add it over here into the cats category. And we'll look at more products. So say, I like this cat carrier with wheels. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the cat category. So we're not adding it to the store yet. We're adding to what's called the inventory list here on Doba, which is going to then allow us to add it into our store. Go over here and we'll add this as well. And we're going to go ahead and literally build an entire catalog here. See that it recommends some products. You can click into a product and see some more product information like the pricing, and see that it ships from the United States. It takes only 5 to 7 days to get to your customer. So super fast shipping when it comes to drop shipping. You see all the great product imagery that Doba always gives you, always great product imagery and description. All this content is going to get sent over into our site. We have our add to inventory list. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this one as well. You see lots and lots of related products. We can start to go ahead and literally just add, build a huge inventory list, right? And eventually we'll be able to take our inventory list and move everything into our store. I'll just take a look at a couple more over here. We could add a little bit higher ticket product over here. You see that it's going to cost us $117, but the MSRP is $234. So we make about $110, $117 actually, every single time we sell this product. So that's a really good one to add into our list. And I'll click on this one as well. This one looks pretty good. I'll add this into my list, and you get the idea, right? You could spend hours and hours and hours going through all the products until you have the perfect catalog. And we have a store that's only just a couple minutes old. I'm already adding all of these great products to the inventory list to be able to be sent out. And here's another great example, high ticket product. Sell it for $259, costs you $130, you make $129 profit every single time you sell this product, and it ships directly from, in this case, Pennsylvania in the United States. So you're going to get fast 2 to 5 day shipping time. Super, super powerful. So we're going to go into our My Doba section. And now that we have products, we're going to have an inventory list. And you'll see in our inventory list all of the different products that we've added into our list. And of course, these are all the products that we categorized into the cat category. You saw the laser pointer, the carrier, the climber set, the tree, all the kind of the hidden enclosure, right? Now what we want to do is simply list these products to store. This is going to be the last step, right? We're going to take the products from Doba and add them into our Shopify store. It's really that easy. We click the ones that we want. We click list to store. We select our store, right? Again, you might have multiple stores, so make sure you select the correct store. Now for each of these, what we want to do is set product title, product description, variants, which has your prices, and the images. And you see we have AI Optimizer. We could literally have AI go ahead and set our product titles. You could even do it for our product description. I like this one. I'm going to go and select and replace. We could take a look. We'll do another AI optimization here. We'll get a new product title, or you could just create your own product title. Really up to you in terms of how you want to do things, or you could just keep it as is. See, these are the products that are getting sent over. Take a look at the description. We could AI optimize if we want, or maybe we just want to keep it as is and say, I like this, but I'm gonna delete this section, and this section I'm going to make bold and underlined, and this one I'm going to make italic, right? So you have full control over how you want all the descriptions to look. So you can go through each description. You could edit them if you want. You could remove images. You have full control over what's going to get in there. You can come over here and even do AI optimization. And you could build a brand new description using AI over here in Doba. And remember, this is going to be full control over each individual product. So if you don't like how one looks, you could just change it. Right here is the AI optimization over here. We'll select and replace, and you're going to see that all this content is now replaced with our AI content. And we'll do that for all of these products. Now the next part is variants. Variants, super important. This is going to be what you charge for your product price. Obviously, this is very important. And you're going to see how much it costs you to get to the customer. So this is going to cost us $130 to ship it to the United States, right? You got free shipping. So if it costs us $130, we might sell it for $200, right? And at $200, we make $70 each. We might try to sell it for $229.99, right? And make even more money. You can make almost $100 every time we sell this product. And what we want to do is do this for each and every one of our products. And a nice rule of thumb could be to double or even triple your total production cost and shipping cost. In this case, it's going to cost us $37.56 to ship this product out to the customer. We might charge $79.99. Right? And you could definitely test different products, but you'd love to be able to make as much profit as the product costs. Right? So typically you'll at least double the Doba price for your sales price. And remember, we want to go through each and every one of these. So I'm going to set my pricing here. Okay, we'll come over here again. We'll set our pricing. You see our profits pop up. And again, we'll want to make sure we do this for each one. Here's a cool example where there's different colors. Maybe you don't want to offer the gray for whatever reason. You could just uncheck it, right? You literally don't have to select each one if you don't want to. We'll set this up to be about $50 profit. Here we'll go $79.99. Again, $35 profit. It's a little bit lower ticket item here, so we could do $19.99. Okay, so we have all of our information here set up for variants. Last is our images. These are going to pull all of the really high quality imagery that Doba gives you. And this is one of the best parts about working with Doba. You know, when we do the speed run right here of adding all these products, we don't need to go back into Shopify and customize things or edit imagery. All the imagery, all this high quality imagery gets sent along with it. Let's say you don't want a specific image. Maybe you don't want this one. You could just simply uncheck it and it won't get sent. So after you go through all these and you see it's going to automatically default to showing all and bringing all the images, you simply are ready to go. You've got your product title, your product description, your pricing, and your images. That's all that you need. You click List Now. And what's happening in the background is Doba is creating these products as Shopify products. And the cool part is they're linked into Doba. So when an order comes in for the cat carrier or for the cat climber or for the 4-level stairs, Doba will automatically receive that order. They'll automatically package the product and they'll ship it off to your customer. They'll even provide the tracking number on your behalf to the customer. So everything is done automatically because we've added the products here the correct way through our Doba app. So these are going to be done in just a minute or two. We'll come back over into our store now, and we're actually going to have a storefront that instead of being empty, it's going to have some products. So here's the products page now in my Shopify store. Again, this store is just a couple minutes old. Now we have, in this case, I added 8 cat products, fully automated, all active, all in stock, all the images I'm going to show you as we open up this storefront. And remember, this is what it looked like before, right? This is just a when you sign up for Shopify. This is what we did after customizing it for a minute or two. And here's our store now with full product. We have an 8-product catalog here. These are the 8 products that I added from Doba Dropshipping, all the prices that I set, all the images, all the information, literally all the titles, right? The descriptions, the imagery. See this high quality imagery that comes over with Doba Dropshipping really helps make it easy to sell your product. And this store is only a couple minutes old. We have 8 products here. Spend a few more minutes, get 80 products, get 180 products. There's so many different, in this case, cat products, tens of thousands of products on Doba. Go ahead and find your niche and build a massive catalog. It's really that easy. So that was Doba Dropshipping, and you saw the full effect there in just a couple minutes. Added a bunch of great products to my cat store. You could literally just go ahead and, it wouldn't take you longer than an hour. You'd have hundreds of products in your store catalog, all fully automated to be drop shipped. And you saw all those that I added there were getting sent directly from the United States. So you're going to get that fast shipping time as well. Highly recommended. Doba is the #1 way to do drop shipping with Shopify. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, make sure you get Doba set up, get those products in your store ASAP, and I hope you make a ton of money. I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.